Are you looking for a smartwatch that blends a classic round design with smart health and fitness features? The Amazfit Active 2 Round offers comprehensive fitness tracking, 24/7 heart rate and stress monitoring, and intelligent insights to support a healthier, more active lifestyle. In this video, we'll quickly explore what the Amazfit Active 2 Round has to offer and how it performs in everyday use. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazfit Active 2 Round. Magnetic charging base. And user manual. Want to grab the Amazfit Active 2 Round for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. Frustrated with digging out your charger every night? Tired of your fitness tracker dying mid-workout? The Amazfit Active 2 lasts beat for beat with you. Stay powered up. Stay active. Amazfit's BioTracker technology provides precise, real-time monitoring of heart rate variability, sleep quality, and more. Working alongside our new Pulse Precision heart rate algorithm, you can power through your favorite workouts with confidence that reflects the work you put in, backed by trusted data. Plan your gym routine in the Zepp app. Sync your exercise list to the watch, and then engage strength training mode. Once you start, the watch can auto-detect 25 exercise types and will intelligently count your reps, sets, and rest time. When you're done, you'll find analysis of your performance in the Zepp app. HYROX combines running and functional workouts, with professional athletes and everyday fitness enthusiasts taking part in races. Get a leg up on your HYROX competition with Amazfit's exclusive and official HYROX Race Mode. Choose from single, double, or team relay workouts, then time and track your performance. Track GPS activities like running, cycling, yoga, paddle, and even dog walking. Monitor data like heart rate, steps, calories burned, distance, pace, and much more. The watch is water-resistant and features a barometer, so sports like swimming and skiing are fully trackable. Train smarter with personalized AI-generated workout plans that intelligently adjust based on your performance and recovery. Choose from regular training plans that can be applied to most workout modes, or get specialist running plans for 3K, 5K, or 10K races and half or full marathons. Answer incoming calls or dial outgoing calls. Control your phone's camera and music. Sync notifications and much more. All via Bluetooth connection to your phone. Specifications. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source and make sure the watch is properly aligned. Charging will start automatically. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect the charger. How to pair. Download the Zepp app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Amazfit Active 2 Round and press and hold the power button until the Amazfit logo appears. Once the watch turns on, allow it to complete the startup process. Open the Zepp app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. Scan the QR code displayed on the Amazfit Active 2 Round to begin pairing, then agree to the required terms and wait while the watch syncs and completes setup. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Zepp app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazfit Active 2 round. See you in the next one.